Another part of it is the fact that we have the ability to focus attention. That we can literally choose to focus our attention, say, on the meal we're eating. Or we could choose to focus our attention on a problem at work and not even notice the meal we're eating. So we have the ability to focus attention. And that is an amazing resource to have.
One of the things about this whole question of focusing attention that fascinates me is that, in fact, it's very easy to focus people's attention on things. What people haven't really mastered yet in our evolutionary stage is the ability to focus attention and defocus it at will, so that we can give attention to something and then move it off and onto something else. Some people can have their attention focused on a person or an idea or something they're greedy for months or years, and are constantly really crippled as a result. A really advanced human being is quite capable of giving attention and taking it away again, giving it and take it away again, and keeping flexibility in their thought and behaviour as a consequence.
So, for example, if they were watching a television programme and they got involved in some drama on television, and they look at their watch and it's 12 o'clock and they know they need to go to bed to get a good night's sleep to deal with tomorrow's work, they would be quite capable of turning off that drama and not find themselves hypnotised by the drama and staying up late and being less productive than they might choose to be or want to be the following day. They have volition, they have choice. And in addictions, generally speaking, that's what we see, the loss of volition, because people's attention is conditioned by the usage of some substance or some experience, and they've lost volition. When we focus our attention and when it's locked by some stimuli, that's what we call in psychology, or what we refer to as a trance state, a state of locked attention. And all of the states of dysfunction that our patients come to us with are actually states of locked attention.
That's right.
Depression is a state of locked attention, for example. A person is actually locked into a very negative, agitated view of their future and of their current reality. And part of the secret of getting them out of their depressed state is to unlock their attention mechanism and get them to refocus it on the positive aspects of their life, on positive, realistic expectations of the future. And when they do that, the agitation caused by the trance state of depression then dissolves, because the brain is not expecting something terrible to be happening, so it's not triggering off hyperarousal in itself. So a fundamental tool that we make use of in psychotherapy then is this given, is the fact that problematical states are states of locked attention, and that we have to help people to unlock their attention and refocus it onto solutions and off the problematical behaviours.